In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw support and resistance levels in TradingView so you can identify key price zones easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load your chart. Choose any asset like stocks, crypto or forex. Now look at the left toolbar. Select the horizontal line tool. Click on your chart where price has reacted multiple times. These areas are your support and resistance zones. Support is where price tends to bounce upward. Resistance is where price struggles to move higher. Focus on clear swing highs and swing lows. You don't need perfect precision, just mark the zone. Now, let's add dynamic levels using trend lines. Select the trend line tool from the left toolbar. Connect higher lows in an uptrend to form support. Connect lower highs in a downtrend to form resistance. These lines show the direction of the market. They help you understand momentum and trend strength. Now combine both horizontal and trend lines. When they meet, it creates strong reaction zones. These areas often lead to breakouts or reversals. You can also adjust line color and thickness for clarity. Keep your chart clean and easy to read. With practice, you'll spot these levels instantly. That's it. You've successfully learned how to draw support and resistance in TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.